So guys, tonight, Mellissa and Minnesota Twins Wiley are going to be meeting the pets. Let's get on to the video. So, Mellissa, Minnesota Twins Wiley, you guys ready to meet the two dogs? The puppy and the mommy dog? Yes. Okay. Turn around. Okay. You know what, guys? You go far then. So, no one knew that I had these two stuffed animals for the videos. This is a female named Lynn Marie Wiley. This one is had a lightning bolt. I had a baby version of these two, but I got rid of it. But this one is named Michael Dale Wiley, but I have just changed it to my own name, Lucas Michael Wiley, the dog. So I can say that I'm still Lucas Michael Wiley on the videos, the dad, but there's a dog named after me as a stuffed dog. So, which one of you two want to pet the dogs first? You know what? You're like this. Sit by yourself a little bit. Okay, Daddy. And you're gonna come over here. Okay. And pet the dogs. Gently. I'm gonna stand. You have to pull your pants up again? Seriously? Yes. And that was falling out. Great. I gotcha. Why do I have to be pushing the pants for that? Because that's why that doesn't answer my question. Do you keep messing up your own pants? Maybe. Okay, next time answer my question the right way. Or you're getting time out. Why you get a 4-minute time out if you don't answer my questions though? Yeah, answer your questions now while I'm dead. Good. Now that she's gonna pet the dogs. Oh wait, you're gonna stand here for a sec. I'm gonna fix you. There we go. Pet the puppy. Cute puppy. Yes, I know. I'm gonna feed you tonight. You need to be fed. And your diaper needs to be changed. Are you ready? Yes. Alright. I'm gonna stand as well. Okay. Alright. Pet the dog. Good doggy. Good Lady Wiley. You should have said that too. I know. Good Lucas Michael Wiley the dog. Alright. Next video, I'm gonna post this one really quick, and then I'm gonna do a feeding video with one of them and then the other one. So I'm gonna have one of them. Who wants to say it? Hey, I do. Alright. You say it in your feeding video, alright? So now say it. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments, leave a public comment, and click that notification button for new videos every single day. And you can browse the comments about this video. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.